Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to backdate a blog article or a post on WordPress. So I am here on the back end of my post on my WordPress site. It doesn't really matter what site you're on, but I'm just going to open up a new post in the tab, and I'm going to write the article. Alright, so now the article is written, and this is your reminder to like and subscribe to the video. This is just a test one. Here I'm going to go over to the post block, or the post section of my block. I believe you hit it by hitting this little cog gear icon up here, and post, and then publish. And then you're going to backdate this by selecting whatever date you want to backdate it to. So if I wanted to go to May 5th of 2019, then it would post May 5th of 2019 at 7:20 p.m. and then to go ahead and have that publish, then it would publish at that date, and then it would show up in your posts within that date. So it would show up on May 5th at 7:20. So if you'd written one at 7:25, it would show up before. If you wrote one at 7:15, it would show up right after that one. So that is a quick, simple software tip on how to backdate a WordPress post. If you like the video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment them down below, and check out the blog at simplesoftwaretips.com.